YouTube is powered by the YouTube algorithm. It's how you find videos, it's how they're suggested to you, how search works, and in this little series I'm going to dive deep into each little function. Today we talk about the overarching algorithm itself. Here we go! Hello and welcome back to another video. Now if you're new around here and you're looking to start your YouTube channel, grow your YouTube channel, or push your brand out there onto the second largest search engine on the internet, click subscribe. Start creating. Now the beast that is YouTube is controlled by the YouTube algorithm. But what is the YouTube algorithm? What should we focus on? And what's the overarching mission of the YouTube algorithm in itself? Now before I get started on this first video in this wonderful mini-series, I want to know what you think. What do you think the YouTube algorithm is? Maybe make a note down below and come back to it after you've watched the rest of this playlist. Is there some things that you know seem to work for your channel and that you need to tweak later to get more exposure from? Or are you here to learn and understand what the algorithm is and then backwards engineer a solution? Please leave a comment down below. There are hundreds of thousands of hours of YouTube videos uploaded to this site every month, every week, every year. And if you can imagine, it's very, very hard to manually curate that. So the YouTube algorithm is this mathematical formula which is hard to kind of pronounce from time to time. So no doubt at some point in this video I'm going to scrap the word algorithm. Enjoy. But the YouTube algorithm is a massive filter and it's based on what you feed it. It's your descriptions, it's your titles, it's your tags, it's your metadata, it's your captions, it's your thumbnail. Every fine detail of that video is fed into the algorithm machine. That also goes for how well it's interacted with, how many likes, how many comments, how many shares. Once it's been fed and it understands what your video happens to be, it then knows what to serve against it. So whether you are a content creator like me and you place your own videos up there and you hope that your videos are next to it or similar tutorials are next to it, if you happen to be a random visitor and you're not actually a creator of any kind, what the algorithm does for you is understand, you watched a load of Jake Paul videos previously, you might like more of these kind of prank videos or these Jake Paul videos. You like Philip DeFranco and you've watched Philip DeFranco's news show, so you might like his vloggy stuff. Or you watch Casey Neistat and you like that kind of video photography, and therefore you might like vloggy stuff, so you might go and look at Zoella, or you might go and have a look at PewDiePie. The algorithm has a look at what you look at, how well you interact with it, how often you do so, and then it will either serve videos based on those likes or comparable related likes. Overall, the algorithm's actually there to help you. As a viewer, it's trying to entertain you. As a content creator, it's trying to keep them on the website for as long as possible. So if it continues to serve your videos against your videos or other content creators against your videos, that still helps you. Because if you've brought them in to YouTube and you've kept them entertained, that session watch time helps you. Okay, so you've entered in all the details, you've entered in your metadata, and you're pumping out videos. Now how do you get the algorithm to like you and your videos? Well, it's as simple as getting your people that watch your videos to interact with your video. The more people seem engaged with that video, the more likely they are to surface it against other videos. So if I'm talking here about the YouTube algorithm and loads of people comment like, oh okay, I like this, I understand this, or here's a question, or there's a comment, or there's a like, or there's a dislike, right? That then gets added to the data that you've already given it, and then they can weigh you against other things. Okay, they seem to be really engaged in this algorithm video, so maybe we'll play the next one within the Alan's playlist. Or we'll play one from Roberto Blake on a similar topic, or Nick Nimmin, or Amy Smithauer, or Daryl Eves, etc, etc, etc. You need to start creating the ripples from your own fan base for then YouTube to understand, look, there's a ripple. Why don't we turn that into a wave? And when you've got that ripple, it starts affecting where you show up in the search results, in the suggested videos, on the home page, on your video notifications, that kind of things. And those we're going to deep dive into in the next videos. Now, if you want to keep learning with us, remember to hit that subscribe button. If you want to continue seeing these algorithm series videos, hit that notification. I will pump out at least one of these videos once a week for the coming months. And then that way, you've got the entire playlist. Go out there, start creating.